Ooh, what's happening? Let's see. I'm coming. Okay, music. Come on. When's this one gonna run, guys? When? When, wisdom? Here we go. It was just waiting for us to come on stream, Just waiting for us to come on stream so it could start moving. Here we go. Boom skis. Boom skis BPTH. Okay. Now I'm gonna be distracted, focusing on this scalp. There's a nice little supply zone there though. Yeah. Needs volume, that's what it needs. Okay. So $1.20, a little bit of support. Good morning, everybody. Kimbella, good morning, Paul. Good morning, Lori. Good morning. Wisdom Corner, how come I haven't seen you in Discord? What are you doing? Jay, good morning. Dennis, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Brad, good morning. Virus and Frost. Good morning, Nitro. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, E. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Laura. Good morning, Tony. Ayo, AJ, good morning. Claudia, good morning. Natalia, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Patricia, good morning. A, good morning. Regina, good morning. Hello. Oleg, good morning. Good morning, carry on. Be okay, good morning. Much love. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I don't see anything that stands out apart from the ones that we like already. Nikolai, good morning. You're now in the big leagues. What is that? What's the big leagues? I wanna know. Tell me more. What's the big leagues? Okay. I need to update my watch list. TNXP needs to get back above 18 cents instead above 18 cents. 18.50. There's a nice little supply zone up there. You don't want? I don't want to know. Okay, fine. Fine. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Wait, did you hold those K-Web puts overnight, Virus? Because I think China is struggling a little bit today. China struggling. It looks like the S&P is gapping up, right? So we're pushing closer to 570 again. So at this point, honestly, it just looks like we're going back and forth. We can't seem to break out, but we're not really breaking down yet. So unless the S&P breaks below 65, 565, then really not Really not going anywhere. And then we could be watching some of these hurricane stocks, you know. Um, but I know Generac has been cooking. Generac, GNRC. Yeah. Oh, it's finally red today, but it's had a big run. So maybe these dipskis will set up something for tomorrow or the rest of the week. Maybe. I just wanted to look really quickly. And then I have alerts on the other ones just in case they break out. Other than that, everything else seems a bit sus. Yeah, Roblox. Yeah, yeah. He posted that news from Hindenburg. Roblox minus 9%. That's not a horrible drop, though, is it? Oh, really? Hmm, yeah. We'll see. Kind of seems like a slow day, though, doesn't it, Cara? Yeah. Kind of seems a bit slow. Yep. Well, I mean, yesterday was slow, very, very slow, until AMBO took over, right? And then went up 200%. So, yeah, we'll see. Nine in 10 Gen Z workers say they're underpaid, including those making six figures per. Oh, yep, yep. Everybody always thinks they're underpaid, though. You know. What does Spy tell you about the market? I see you always check. Yeah, I see Virus's response. So the S&P is an ETF that includes the biggest companies in the states, right? So understanding how like you know all those companies are doing gives you like I don't know, and we play with most of those stocks too, and we play with options, so it's always nice to understand what's happening. Alrighty, yeah. So yeah, we can play with these small stonks, but we also play with the big ones. Yeah, yeah. Baby oil waiting at the door. You just wanted to stop by and say hello, Koto. Thank you for stopping and saying hello and smashing the like. Ayo, thank you. Are you busy today? Doche, good morning. Maynor, good morning. Hello, everybody. Hi, 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 hi. I kind of like again. So I think at the top of my list today is BPTH. I would say that's my favorite name going into the open, right? But everything else just kind of looks a bit slow, slow, slow. ALSA, we can just change the A to the. Anyways, ALCE looks interesting as well. There's a massive supply zone at the top there, right below 40 cents. I say 40 cents, but really 35. Um, 35 cents. Ignore that. Anyway, so yeah, massive supply zone starting at 35 cents. So let's see what that thing does going into the open, right? I think that's the top gainer now. Yeah. So top gainer going into the open. Maybe not actually. It is. The other name is just a split, right? So that doesn't count. Um, but since it's at the top of the list, maybe we want to take a closer look, right? AGFY. Wasn't this a Canadian company? Something like that. What's the float now on this one, Yi? Oh yeah, because I know you were looking. So split completed, and yep. Anyways, we'll see. Good morning, River. 360. Okay, that's not bad. The question is, do they pump it before the offering, or do they, So yeah, we're gonna leave that one up as well, just because it's at the top of the list. Yeah, yeah. So again, for me, my favorite name for now is BPTH. Let's see if that thing can cook, right? All I wanted to see was this little range at the bottom here hold, right? So looks like it's holding and it's 10 cents higher ish. Let's see if we can break out though. Maybe the volume will kick in at the open. Maybe. Who knows? Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do. And click the link, come join us. And then question for you guys with 9 minutes to go. What's your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock? The S&P is above 570 now. Yes. Yes. Those 72s virus. 572 should be in the monies. 72s. SMCI. Okay. Looking for Tesla to fly. Maybe today's the day, huh? Uh, uh, wait, wait. Okay, there we go. Mm, 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 mm. Did you guys AMBO, that's your favorite name going into the open? Yeah, it's on the left hand side, minus 5% this morning. If nothing else is cooking, people tend to go back to the other names, right? So definitely something to watch. Definitely something to watch. Good morning, Ty, Jericho. Good morning. Green and not greedy, please. Uh, okay, SMCI, DUO. Okay, AMBO. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yup. Yeah, everything just kind of seems a bit stagnant for now. Stagnant. So I'm just gonna keep watching the one that we like the most. At least I like the most. Good morning, Mash. Hello, hello. Did you guys see the developer of the bot? The bot in Discord last night? Did you guys notice? Like he was trying to give you an update. Yeah, no, he doesn't show up very much. He just shows up to yeah to see if everything is okay and but yeah. So he was saying he's working on some cool stuff. So some more stuff in the works, you know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why I was asking you guys if you guys wanted those hot alerts in Stock General or a different channel. Uh, in Stock General. Because anyways. La 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 la. Dan, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Maybe we can get some more volatility this morning, Dan, because it looks like we're looks like we're just doing the same thing. Let me pull up Tesla on the right hand side here. What are we doing? Tesla 43. Oh wow, Tesla's at 43. Wait, Tesla sold up to 40 yesterday? My goodness, I just wasn't paying attention. Dang, I was not paying attention. That 240 would have been I know Virus wanted that 35 though. Was poop. Yeah. So Tesla has the day coming up in 2 days, Robot Taxi Day, and then Amazon, the amazing Amazon, has today's Amazon Day. The damn thing is up 60 cents though. Yeah, interesting. Okay, well, all of these names just look like they're kind of waiting for the open. Like everybody seems to be waiting for the open. 65 maybe. Yeah, exactly. Virus. Uh, 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 futures. Doo-doo. La 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 la. Okay. 34. Yeah, there you go. I like it, Jericho. Love it. Yeah, that supply zone for BPTH is becoming a problem, isn't it? So maybe at the open we might actually dip. Maybe at the open, yeah. So we have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes. Shani, good morning. Hello. Critical, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, kind of the same names here. Nothing's really changed, right? Nothing's really changed here. I'm just making sure that I'm ready to go at the open. Okay. Wells Fargo. Doo, doo, doo. And 5. 0, 8. Okay. Let's see. Perfect. It is very slow, isn't it? Very, very slow. But again, it was the same thing yesterday, and then we eventually picked up. So hopefully, we should. It's not my fault, guys. I'm very positive. Markets open in 50 seconds. Very positive. TNXP looks like it's slowly curling up there. It still needs to get back above 1850 though. Good morning, Joe. Hello, hello. Uh, yeah. NVIDIA is over 130. Oof, look at that. Almost like something happened here. Yeah, Amazon just had a nice pop. So did the S&P. Whoa. Whoa. What's happening there? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spy's like, let's go, baby. NVDA. Yeah, Amazon is sitting nicely above. Nicely above. I mean, honestly, we just keep going back and forth. More like 130, more like 132, 132, 135 ish. So let's see what happens. So we just opened. Ready? The spread on this is a little bit sus, just like everything usually is. So the volatility should be expected. And then everything else just seems like it's still trying to decide what it wants to do. So a little bit of patience at the open, guys. A little bit of patience at the open. WZ, you mean the ones that are cooked? I'm kidding. Um, SOBR looks like it's pumping again, isn't it? At least a bit of a bounce from the abyss. So let's see what happens there. Give it a second. BPTH is still trying to decide what it wants to do here. Still trying to decide what it wants to do. You mean those ones? Yeah. Yeah. Those numbers. Again, so what are you trying to understand from those numbers would be my question for you. Like, are you trying to take a position based on those or what? ALCE, guys, is still sitting in the same range. Nothing happening there. TNXP is selling off a little bit. NMHI, nothing happening. OTRK is actually doing a good job holding that demand zone at 295. So let's see if it can stay above that. Alrighty. AGFY has done a split with that low float. So again, give it a second, see if anything happens or we sell off. VMAR is in the same boat, right? Don't try and catch these things on the way down. Just let them go to the abyss, right? So yeah, OTRK looks like the only one that's popping for now, but it has a lot of resistance, like 315 to 330. So just be mindful. Alrighty, let's see what happens. But yeah, it does look like the only name that's actually performing off a demand zone, isn't it? Right. Again, we like BPTH. We like BPTH, but it's still in that range, right? That 120 is fine, right? But it needs to break out. Alrighty, and maybe it's gonna do it now. Maybe. So yeah, we keep coming back to the bottom and then bouncing, but it also just needs to break out, right? Uh, you're in a long position, Joe. Okay, for yeah, 71. Let me see. I see. Let's go, virus. Come on now. Come on. Love it. Let's go. Yeah, KWeb. Let me pull up that chart for KWeb. Then I'll come back here. Uh, the other one's halted down. Woo! Do you guys remember those? Those puts, guys? Guys, let's go. Let's go, virus. Love it. 32. There we go. I'm gonna come back. I'll come back to BPTH again. BPTH is my favorite name, like I mentioned. It just needs to break out and hold above, right? Just needs to break out and hold above. Uh, okay, webs. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah, this thing can't seem to break out and actually stay above, huh? Yeah, that's annoying. That is very, very annoying. Two. There we go. Yeah, pretty slow, right, Grim? S&P is back below the 70, and NVIDIA is retesting that 30, and it's bouncing up 30 and pushing back to the highs of the day here. So NVIDIA, there you go. That should be good for the markets, though. And then BPTH, don't know what drugs this thing is on, but it does want to go. The one that's still looking really good though is OTRK. So congratulations anybody that's in this one. That was a beautiful demand zone, wasn't it? That was a beautiful demand zone off the bottom there. Oof. Look at how green that zone is. Green. Eventually boom skis of support. So now it's approaching the supply zone, but pretty nice push, right? BPTH again is right on the verge of like wanting to break out, but it's not actually doing it yet, right? So it needs to go, BPTH. Go. Otherwise, it's gonna get slapped. Uh, actually, can't do that. Oh, I see. Okay. There we go. uh, yeah, it's right there. It just doesn't want to do it yet, does it? $1.35 resistance. Come on, you can do it. SMCI, oh lordy, is it good or bad? Live double. You're looking for ADTX. Chris, good morning. Hello. Uh, because I oh, okay. Okay, we're on the same page then. Yeah. On the same page. Come on now, let's go. Why is there a bit of a there we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Give it to us. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So we eventually held the bottom of the range there, guys. Eventually, there goes 39. OTRK, by the way, is still looking good. So 350 is your next 350 is your next major wall there, right? That supply zone. You want to be careful. Alrighty. And let's see if we can finally push above for 40 and not retest for BPTH as well. Not horrible. Not horrible. Nothing crazy, but not horrible, right? So again, see if we can get above 340 here. Violence. Yeah, super slow. This one. Right setup, just not the all the violence is in their grim. Make the phone call. Now that the offering has closed, KD, I'm gonna have to take a look. I'm not sure what it looks like. Can we get above 40? Going once, going twice, and so to Dan. Yeah, so that 140 is a bit of resistance. So at this point, you almost wanted to just kind of stay above that last breakout zone. Alrighty, stay above the breakouts. Banning alcohol at an Australian bank. Why are they drinking at the bank in the first place? That's what you meant when you're in the big leagues, like you're playing options now, is what you're doing, Wisdom. La 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 la. My phone is broken. Grape, make the phone call. Let's get above 140 already. What is this rubbish? What is this rubbish? Make the phone call. There we go. Boom skis. Now can we go to the 50? Good morning, Ryan. There we go. 42s. Keep going. Anyways, again, congratulations if you jumped into this one. Right? Congratulations. I know we've been waiting for this one all morning. I've been waiting for this one all morning because nothing else looked good to me. But that's an interesting little candle there. Okay. So supply zone approaching here. Supply zone approaching. So already be careful. 145 to 150 supply zone. Be careful up there. 3, 2, 1. No options. 222 sounds good. Anyways, NVIDIA does look really good though. Finally broke above 130, so that looks really nice. So this might be dragging tech up, right? The S&P is still below 570, which is okay. That's not that bad of a dip. So let's see if we can hold the gains this week at least, today at least, right? Unnecessary volatility. I'm gonna take a look at some of these names you guys are asking for. I just usually don't in the morning because you know because we have other things to look at. Okay. CETX. Hmm. That's another split name, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. Morning Madness. Morning Madness, Ryan. OTRK still looks okay. Again, there's a nice little supply zone there, so you want to be careful anyways if you're in it. But just watch that 9 EMA. If it doesn't hold, then we can go down to $3.20. Alrighty. So if we fail to hold about $3.30, then you're looking for 10 cents lower. For now, though, it looks fine holding it. And here goes again, testing the top of the range. Let me zoom out a little bit here because it seems like we're quite a ways from. So I just wanted to see what the left hand side looked like, right? And it's the same resistance we talked about already. So 345 to 350 is resistance on this thing. It's been here twice already this morning and it's failed for OTRK. So Just keep that in mind. Alrighty, if you're in a position. Um, question for you guys in the chat though. What are you guys scalping this morning? Is it BPTH or is it OTRK? What are you guys scalping? Exactly, Ryan. Look left. Look to the left hand side, and all your answers will be, given. Let's go T strong. Yeah, good, 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 good. Yeah, I Paul. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, not a bad little scalp though, right? T strong. It's a good way to start the day, right? In the green. So now let's see if we can stay above this previous retest zone, and then go from there. From 26 Megan. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above the chrono here at least. Ready? Because that thing again, the closer we get to 50 on anything, you should expect resistance every single time, right? So whether it's $1.45, $1.50, resistance. Whether it's 3.45 and 3.50, it's still resistance, right? These are just psychological levels that people tend to like want to sell at. But now what I'm looking at for BPTH is if we can stay above the kernel there. If we can, then that's fine. Alrighty. So we just need a higher low. Again, we've said this multiple times too. Like you should always expect a dip at some point on anything at the open. But if it gives you that double bottom or a higher low, you'll kind of set up for success after that. Right? That's what I'm usually looking for. So if this thing gives me a double bottom here or a double top or a higher low, BPTH, and we get above $1.50, you're gonna see me smiling. You're gonna be like, why are you smiling, Blaze? Why are you smiling? I'm gonna say money's on you anyways. Okay, now we're bouncing, which is perfect, right? Which is kind of what we want. Retest and then bounce back to that 140. Question is, can we push above, right? Are you holding both? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so again, this one is trying to decide what it wants to do. It has a bit more resistance than the other one does. So OTRK has more obstacles. But let's see what happens. Money's random stuff, love it. Love it. Are you holding options or you're just holding shares? Yeah, Nvidia looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The S&P is bouncing back, trying to get back above 70. So yeah, 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 yeah. It's on the run, Tony. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. If you took that 120 signal this morning, and if you took 120 as a signal this morning in Discord, type in yes. In the signal channel for BPTH. If you took $1.20 ish, this morning, yeah, type in yes. Yes, Yogi. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Let's see if we can really get that higher low though, Again, you can always try and look for the bottoms on these things. Will you predict the volume or like where it goes to? Absolutely not, right? So yes, we're trying to bounce, but that thing really needs that volume to come in because it's creating supply zones for days now, wherever it's going, which is annoying. OTRK is still doing an amazing job of holding that 9 EMA, so let's see if it continues to stay above it. Yeah, there you go. Here we go. Every single I trade perfectly grim monies. Said no one ever. Exactly. Right. So your job in the market, you have one job, right? Your job is the most important job for you is okay. Well, maybe there are kind of multiple jobs, but so one of those is to do a good job of improving the entry point, right? And then when you're in, then your job is to manage that trade, right? Manage it to the best of your ability. Because again, sometimes it works in your favor and sometimes it doesn't, right? Like the times where we take a trade at a perfect price and it just sits there. Like you can take a perfect trade and it just sits there. So let's see if we can bounce again here off the chrono. So we kind of need to stay above $1.30, alrighty? And if we can, then that's okay. OTRK is doing an amazing job. My goodness, look at it, right? It's holding that 9 EMA like a gem, like an absolute gem. That blue line is like, hey guys, Tesla's getting slapped. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's a beautiful line there that it's holding. Yeah, there you go. That's all it takes. There it goes. There it goes. That's all it takes, right? People are waiting at the open and they're waiting for the one name that actually looks like wants to give them monies, right? And all BPTH needed to do was bounce back to that high and break out, and it would have cooked. But no, it decided not to. So, yep, 70, 70, 77, 78, AJ. There goes 75 again. Just want to know what for cash accounts with interactive brokers. It should be a day if you live in the States, right? So the next day. Anyway, so BPTH again. As soon as the other one's popping, this one is now selling off money rotation. So let's see if we can just stay above the same level again. If this is a double bottom, if not, then we can throw that thing in the garbage at that point. Alrighty. So it needs to at the very least give us a double bottom. Oh my God! Look at that thing go, guys. Oh my goodness. If you're holding this one, you should be smiling. Smiling. Sheesh. When did the OTRK do the split? Okay, September 23rd. Okay, that was a while ago. It wasn't like it was this week. My goodness. Sheesh. I'm surprised they haven't halted it yet. That thing is pushing like there's no resistance on it. OTRK. Why do you before restrict it? Like you were trying to short it? Maybe it's a good thing they restrict it though, right? Uh, okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Already. Pushing, pushing, Dan. Pushing. Yeah, nothing else on the list that we've looked at this morning looks amazing. So those are the only two. I mean, these have been the only two names that have done well, right? I mean, well, okay, BPTH is slacking now, but OTRK is for sure taking over. So let's see if we can get a bit of a retest or just consolidation above $4. 420 broken, destroyed. Is on halted. Okay, yeah, I can see that one now. Oof. Lee should have held longer. My goodness. Shish. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Yeah. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. LASC. Ooh. Did that thing go from red to green, Yogi? Not Yogi, Raven? 88 cents from the bottom? Yeah, it did. This is the second time it's done that now, isn't it? Look at the previous day. Look at that. Hmm. Very interesting. So your resistance though from yesterday, right? You had a bit of a double top from yesterday, right? So that was around $5.50, right? Again, these are just like predictable psychological levels, right? So the closer we get to $5.50 for LASC, the more cautious you might want to be. Alrighty. Really good run though. If you were holding if you made money, so you're still holding OTRK, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. I know AJ was in this one. So AJ, congratulations. You're holding both. You're just like, I want to hold both. My chances are, let's go. Ooh, monies. Monies. Love it. Oh, you got the 35 fives? Love it. Yeah, $700. I like it a lot. Well done, guys. Yeah, again, like like swing positions, up to you on how you manage the position, right? Up to you on how you manage the position. BPTH again. Let's see if we can kind of find a base, right? Around $1.20 here, because that's been the support for now, right? So let's see if that thing can give us a double bottom and curl. If not, it's gonna go in the garbage. Ready? And then OTRK is trying to hold 420. Even though we broke above 420 just because it had a lot of volume, 420 is always going to be resistance. Always. For $5 calls, woof, that thing said you think so. 420 resistance. Yeah, how about I give you the next resistance at 450? 3 to 330 and then 3 to 340. Love it. Well done. OTRK. Ryan is smiling this morning. Smiling, Ryan. No, 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 no. Oof, 140%. Who said this week was supposed to be slow? My goodness. Who said this week was gonna be slow? Damn. So you sold 10% of your position, AJ? That's it? Okay. Congratulations, though. Well done. Here we go. Perfect. Well done, well done, well done. Yeah, as long as that thing keeps giving you those higher lows and higher highs, Ryan, you should be okay. And there goes a test of $4.50. Just be careful up there, Ryan. Don't just diamond hand it, please. Right, it's 140%. Don't just diamond hand. At some points, you need to secure the monies. Green. Okay, perfect. 45. Yeah. The BCTX. When? Okay, no, that's a Canadian stock. So let's kind of ignore. Yeah. The Canadian ones kind of suck, Palantir. What's Palantir doing today? PLTR. My goodness, that thing is back to all-time highs again. What an absolute monster of a stock, man. Looks like the machine is pushing it to $50, huh? Yup. And BPTH is still doing an okay job holding that 200 that 200 and $1.20. So as long as it keeps staying holding $1.20, there's still a chance, You know what's not waiting around for resistance? OTRK. That thing just wants to cook. There goes 450. Highs of 464 actually. 464. The S&P looks nice. So does Nvidia. Pushing, Joe. So retesting the highs of the day again. Hopefully today's not a day that we can just keep going up and down. Hopefully not, but oh my days, look at that, guys. OTRK is an absolute monster. Sheesh. My goodness. Poof. You're holding 600. You sold 400. Okay. I see. Well done, AJ. Well done. You should be very proud. Love it. There we go. 477. My goodness. 480. Damn. Is that thing on fire? $4.80. Shish. Keep going. At this point, you might as well just go to $5, Let's see here. Oof. Actually, that's not working. Okay, perfect. There goes 99. There was an error. Okay. What does that mean though? There we oh my goodness, guys, look at that thing go. Look at it go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oof. OTRK. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Profile. Okay, I see the error. My goodness. 550, guys. 550. Damn. Again, congratulations if you're in this one. Congrats, congrats. I'm going to need to zoom out in a second and look at the daily time frame because that thing is cooking really quickly. Let's do that actually really quickly here. I just want to see what the daily chart looks like here. It looks like we have a line all the way out there. Not sure why, again. Um, but there is a bit of a level of 550s in it before we get to that pink line up there. Oh, that's where it's coming from. It's on the left-hand side there. Yeah. Okay. And then 650. Yeah, it's like every 50 cents. Every 50 cents, there's a bit of an obstacle, depending on the supply zones. 192%. I'm glad my shorting spending a Paul. I don't know why you would be shorting this thing in the first place, though, right? Because look at this, Paul. Like, do you see any red candles on this thing? Like, do you see any stalling? No, right? You don't short it until it shows you weakness. There's zero weakness on this. Like, look at it, zero weakness. It's holding the 9 EMA like a monster. Right? You can short it at a major daily resistance level, but that's about it, though, right? So like 550, right? Maybe, but yeah, if you're doing anything else when a stock is this strong, you're just playing with fire, playing with max fire. And here goes BPTH with dipskis, deep skis. Actually, let's see if that thing. I wonder if this one will eventually give us a bit of consolidation. Hmm. It would have been nice if we were sitting at like a major level, you know. Anyways, S&P hit new highs of the day, and it hit that resistance that it had yesterday, so 570 ish. So let's see if we can get above that. And here goes from 550 to 490, right? So a bit of a dip there. People taking some profits. Don't think that's a surprise, right? That's a pretty nice run. Let's see here. Monies, love it, love it, love it. Okay. At the open, all with $1,700. Money. Let's go, AJ. Well done. Super green today. That's amazing. Congratulations. Well done. Let's go, guys. Let's go. $1,700 for AJ this morning. Well done. Love it. 150 unless drops. Love it. Love it. AJ and Chris are cooking. This is tag team cookings. Well done, guys. The S&P is at 71 now. NVIDIA just hit new highs of the day. Yeah, on that candle and then came back down. Ooh wee! Come on, keep cooking, Spy. Keep cooking. Yeah, yeah. Do 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 do. Perfect. There goes the S&P. New highs. New highs. No signs of consolidation yet or curl on this one, so we're just gonna leave it already. BPTH. Palantir just looks nice. Just looks very nice. PayPal shares are now okay. Ignore that. It's exits. Okay, that was a good scalp for you, Joe. Joe, well done. There goes Nvidia back to the highs, and the S&P also cooking. Looks like everything is cooking this morning, except for BTC. What's BTC doing? Come on, BTC. We need you to cook. Oof. Nvidia. Nvidia. Meta is cooking too. Yeah. 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 When do you la 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 okay. Let's 33 Let's go, Joe. Congratulations. Dan's daily goal hit. Love it. Love it. By the way, Raven, congratulations on getting rid of this thing. The closer we got to that 550, the more resistance, right? Good job. LASC. So look left, guys. Look left. Look left, right? When you look left, you can see it. So good exit there. Good exit. Muy bien. Okay. Is Nvidia ever going to stop, or is it just going to go to all-time highs? What's the all-time high? 140, 141 basically for Nvidia. That's not bad, huh? This is why, again, people keep saying, oh my goodness, like if you're holding long-term positions, don't panic, right? Don't panic. These are long-term positions. You do the research for a reason. You dollar cost average for a reason. Uh, to the gym, Paul, it sounds amazing. Right? You do the research for a reason, right? Look at Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. I bet you somebody panic sold Nvidia at 100 and 110 and 90. And look at it now. Nvidia is like, wait, what? What happened? I was at 90? No. No. Right? So you have to know what's a diamond hand and you have to know what not to diamond hand. Alrighty? You don't diamond hand AMC. But maybe you can diamond hand Nvidia. Maybe. Right? When they sold, we bought. Exactly, virus. Right? This is where that whole expression of like know what you hold came from. It didn't come from AMC. Know what you hold. You know? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. That thing's still dropping. Yeah, let's see if they can consolidate somewhere. And OTRK, guys, again, that 550 resistance selling off, right? So let's see if we can find a base somewhere. Jameson just wanted to say hello. Just got puts on SPY. Oh my days. The only good thing though, Jameson, is that every time SPY gets close to like 71, 72 to 75, we just keep going up and down, up and down. Like it's the same range, right? 77 in the 70s to the 65, 70s to 65 ish. We just keep going up and down. So if we break below 65, pray because blood is coming. If we break above 75, though, pray because if you're holding puts, all you're gonna hear in your dreams is puts are for losers, puts are for losers, and then it's gonna keep getting louder. Um, and then you're gonna open your eyes and then you're gonna see Diddy. Uh, then you know that you messed up. So with a mustache, exactly. So yeah, 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 yeah. Uh, and went to random stuff. So yeah, just be yeah, just know what you hold, right? Yeah. Companies like Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft. These companies have they've stood the test of time. So and they make monies, right? When the Fed prints monies, guess where that money goes to? Apple, Amazon's, all these companies, right? You think that the money goes to AMC or to Mullen? It doesn't. So you have to know where the money flows, and then you have to know what's a diamond hand. Yeah. Joe says, honestly, Jameson, expect to be entered. No, no, no. Again, we just keep going up and down. So at some point, SPY is gonna get slapped again, probably. You know, slapped again, probably. BPTH is still trying to find its footing, and then and then OTRK is trying to do the same thing up the kernel. uh, autocorrect, Joe. Before I close, now you want the puts, Raven? Cooks, Raven. Uh, let's see. GRTS. Time to party. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, the S&P is dipping a little bit there for you, Jameson. Looks like BPTH has finally found something, maybe. Found some things, maybe. Perhaps. Let's see if we can get a double bottom or something. Uh, Mullen gets slapped on this channel. Yeah, Mullen deserves to be slapped on every channel on YouTube's. Why? Because it's garbage. Speaking of Mullen, I just want to look, guys. I just want to see where it's at now. Oh my god. Oh Lord have mercy. That's nasty. Anyways, OTRK is bouncing off the kernel, guys, which has become a really common retest zone now. So $4.60. Only problem is that is that supply zone up there. Sanctions over Chinese companies. China's weighing, or just U.S. to remove sanctions over Chinese. Okay, Hmm, interesting. If I started my trading uh, spelled differently. Of this year with six without knowing trading. Luckily, I made a 35 profit with an AMC, but later lost everything as I was new to trading. You did, Shankar? Yeah, yeah. That's annoying, isn't it? Hopefully, you've learned some lessons, though, right? Hopefully, you lost all the monies, including that's a lot of money to lose. Um, yeah, yeah. Some really good lessons to learn, though, right? Yeah, it is what it is. You live and you learn. Hopefully, you actually learn those lessons. Again, come join us in Discord, right? So is the other thing I will say. Let me take a look at. Do you remember MBLY virus? I just want to see what that looks like because I was looking at the daily and it doesn't look horrible. It doesn't look horrible, especially like off $12. What I was hoping for though, as you can see by my drawings on the daily, is I was hoping that thing would come all the way back down and give me a double bottom. Give me the double bottoms. VMAR. Yeah, VMAR is another one of those splits today. So I'm going to take a look at VMAR in a second. Yeah, that's a different time frame he's looking at them. Maybe we should just wait for it to get there. Uh, yep. Can you imagine the virus that this dude was pumping the stock at $30 and then it went to $10? Honestly, the conviction of some people is beyond impressive. How the hell are you going to be pumping it at 20 to $30? Anyways, some people just don't know when they're wrong. Yeah, so VMAR looks interesting. If VMAR breaks out there though, this thing could really move. Right? If it breaks above $5.10, oof. I hope I recover soon. You learned a lot in the last 6 months. Yeah, that's good. Right? Think about it this way: you've lost less than some people. Like technically, you started with six, right? Some people have lost a lot more of their own monies in the market. So, anyways, there goes BPTH still trying. Super, super slow though. My goodness, super slow. So, not sure what to make of that. And then OTRK is doing an amazing job holding that kernel, creating a demand zone actually at 460. No, this was some random dude on Twitter, you know. Some random dude on Twitter, Jameson. Yeah, crazy. You're keeping an eye on BRU. Yeah, I see that one in Discord. I think yeah, that was a nice scalp. 64 to 77 on BURU. Very nice scalp. Congratulations. Very nice scalp. I'm gonna leave this one in the site there. Let me take a look at BURU. BURU. Yeah, nice push. Okay, NVIDIA. Oh, NVIDIA just going, guys. Just going. Just going. Just going. Uh, okay, QQQ. Okay, sounds good. Jameson, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see. Okay. Yeah, there's news tomorrow as well, Jameson, so maybe that'll help. Huge profits to everyone. I didn't. Yeah, there always is. There always will be. There's always another stock that goes crazy, right? There's always another and another and another. So every few months, every month or so, every few months, there's something that goes crazy that people are like, "Oh my god, what the hell just happened?" Right? FFIE, HKD, AMC, GME, always, always, always. DJT, right? There's always a bunch of those. So, yep. Come join us in Discord. Maybe you can catch it before, right? So, Jameson was spamming FFIE at 5 cents or below 10 cents, right? All the way to almost $4. So, come join us in Discord. Alrighty, click the link at the bottom of the chat. So, I don't think there's been a crazy play in the market that we've missed, right? So, yeah, you never know that it's going to be a crazy play though. You just have to play the technicals. Like FFIE chart looked really good. BPTH is back to 120 here now. So let's see if we can get it back above $1.20. It would have been nice if we came back for a second retest because I was kind of waiting for that. But anyways, now it's at a resistance. So let's see what it does. Good morning, Gail. I know, Jameson. I know. Yeah. Yep. Spies dipping there. The deep skis. So anytime we get close to 72, like 72, 73, like the market just starts getting slapped. So let's see. We'll see if this time is different. And OTRK just failed on a downtrend there at $5.20. Yeah. Yes, yes. BURU does look nice though. Just that 80 cents resistance there. But it does look nice. It's still salted? Okay. Do, 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 do. Uh, No, 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 no. 61, moving, yeah. But then, so that's a good entry. Yeah, 80 cents is your next resistance though, so be careful. K-Web, let me take a look. I don't know. As yeah, I just don't trust that thing for some reason, Mark. I trust it as a shorts. As yeah. There you go. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Virus, did you sell those things already? The K-Web? So again, BURU, lots of resistance at 80 cents. Be careful. Be careful. SMCI? Dang it. I was supposed to look, wasn't I? Ooh, Wait, that thing went all the way to 51 though? Oh my days. What the hell? Well, what? 51 and then back to this price? Damn. My goodness. It's nasty. Yeah. Pretty nasty drop. I wonder if it's time to start looking for bouncies though. Like right below 45. I wonder. Lots of weakness. Like lots and lots of weakness there. But before you even Shang? Yeah. What's Meta doing? I know this one's always a monster. That thing just hit new okay, not quite yet. Yeah. 603 all-time highs for Facebook. So not quite there yet. BPTH failed at $1.20. Don't think that's a big surprise to anybody, right? It's resistance. It's previously support. It's the 200 EMA. It's a supply zone. Not a huge surprise. So if we can somehow retest and start curling, then that would be a good thing. But yeah, it kind of looks a bit sus now, though, doesn't it? Anyways, close for you, Virus. Okay, yeah. Facebook seems a bit, but then again, we've seen Nvidia do crazy things though. So. And Facebook can always turn on the money machine. The money machine, is what they do. Okay, Facebook. Tuesday. 1, 2, 2. Okay, perfect. Random stuff. Did you schedule a one-on-one? I don't know if you did. Did you? Come on, something give us a move here. Right? It would be nice. It would be nice if BPTH can just simply come all the way back down and retest that demand zone or just break out. Right? Because now it's sitting in the middle here between support and resistance. That's kind of 50-50. 50-50. No, 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 no. There goes a pop, right? So it needs to break above that $1.20. It would have been way easier to get in if that thing just came all the way back down. Let me look at the 4 hour here for the S&P really quickly, because I know we just keep going back and forth, but I just want to see if they're if their levels are a bit clearer. Yeah, we just keep going back and forth here, huh? Back and forth. So anybody that's yeah. Jameson, your QQQ puts should be a little bit happier now, right? A little bit happier. Yeah. Thursday at 8 a.m. Where do you live? Thursday at 8 a.m. Where do you live? Sheesh. I think that's 1 p.m. Eastern time, isn't it? Yeah, 1 p.m. Eastern. Shamir, yeah. Yeah, that's what we've been saying, right? So we just keep going to anytime we get close to like 572, 573, 574, at the top of the range is that all-time high at 575. So if that's broken, the S&P is gonna cook. Like the violence is gonna kick in to the upside, right? And then when we do go down, we somehow bounce at 565, 566, right? We've been doing that for 2 weeks now, or however long. So unless we break one of those levels, we don't quite have a direction. We're just gonna keep going up and down and up and down. Ups and downs. OTRK, look at that candle. Wow. Yeah, bit of a scam candle, isn't it? Bit of a scam candle. Nah, 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 nah. Here we go. For Tesla, let's go. Come on, Ryan. 2 times daily goal. Let's go. The goddess of discords. Hot trades for life. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go. Let's go. 2x my daily goal. 2x, guys. 2x the daily goal. Ryan, congratulations. Love it. Alrighty. Well done. Well done. Well done. Good job. Monies. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat, Ryan. Thank you. Make it trend. Here we go. Heck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well done. Ryan, where did you make most of that monies in? OTRK? Where did you make your daily goal? Run to four. Oh, you just sold it. Now watch it run to 400%. That's okay. It does look okay, but honestly, Ryan, you're fine. If that thing closes below the chrono here, below like 495, it's gonna get slapped to 460 and potentially lower. So it kind of looks to me like it's T-Rexing. So it needs to bounce like now, right? It needs to stay above 495-ish, 490s. Otherwise, is that 490? Yeah, 495. Because if we close below that level, it's violence. So, yeah, it's gonna need to fight. But good job locking in those gains though. And there it goes, Ryan. There it goes. It knew you sold it. It's like, okay, Ryan is out. Let's go down. So, hashtag trended Raven. There you go, Ryan. There you go. So when you see it stalling like that in the supply zone, maybe you never know. Especially when it's had a big run like that. That's fine. Uh, uh, There, Ryan, look at that, Ryan. Look at that. It just closed below 95 and look at that, right? So when you see the monies, take the monies, right? Forget about the 400%. There it goes. There's your 460, Ryan. So is it even going to hold 460 this time? Who knows? Let's go testing the top again. Okay, let me take a look. LASE. Ooh, that looks nice. That thing came back to $5 and 480, and it just consolidated above the 50. That's actually not too bad. And there goes $5.50. Now it's testing that high from yesterday. Ooh, Raven, did you get back in? So that's an okay level of consolidation, isn't it? Yeah. So this is kind of the range that we struggled at yesterday, but it looks like it wants to destroy that level though. Nice. Well done. Tony, did you jump into this one or no? Oh my goodness. That thing said, catch me outside. Damn. It's a nice pop. It's a very nice push. Yeah, that thing broke that double top really quickly. Uh, la 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 la. Perfect. uh, I did nothing. I did nothing. I did nothing. I did nothing. uh, I am innocent. Mustafa says, last week we bet on against China. This week China says, sorry, no more stimulus. Exactly. China was doing too much, you know. China was doing too much. Sometimes you just have to bet against them, you know. Sometimes you just have to bet against China. Oh, you did, Tony? Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're just stalling. You know, again, we are bouncing though. Right, the closer we get to 460 on OTRK, it looks like it's holding. Right, so we broke below that 95, and then we came to 60, and then it bounced back to 90. So that's not too bad. Good morning, lazy bones. Good morning, fam. So who's the lazy bones? Oh, you're calling me a lazy bone. Oh, okay, I see how it is. Just wait. Just wait. Varys, you know, this girl ran 2 miles yesterday, and now all of a sudden, like, you know, she wants to compete now. Anyways, so it looks like the S&P is curling again, like at the previous breakout of the 50 EMA, which it loves to do, right? So curl up the 50 EMA for SPY, and looks like we're slowly creeping back towards the high. That's all because of Nvidia, isn't it? Yeah, Nvidia is going back to 132. Beautiful, beautiful. Nvidia did an amazing job. Like, so let me look at the 4 hour for Nvidia here. I just want to see what it looks like. Beauty, beautiful demand zone. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. What is that next? That 31.25? Yeah. And then what's that up there? 135, 136 for Nvidia, and then 140 all-time highs. Send it. It's all good for the markets. Highs of the day for Nvidia, guys, and the S&P is kind of slacking though. The money's on Jacks. Well, you're at 6.8, and I'm at 5.58, and I took a day off to the kitchen to get cookies. I didn't get any cookies. Rubbish. No, I ran 6 miles, and I was sore. Plus, I played soccer after that, so I ran more than 6 miles. Except it doesn't count. So yeah. Something up their sleeves, not done yet. Just like the US, random stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the other one, guys, because it's cooking. My goodness, LESC. Just like that. Dang it, Tony. We should have. Damn. He needs. Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah, let me pull that on stream. Damn it. There goes $6.30 before checking options. La, 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 la. Taking that down to 4 hour time frame 40 before recovery. Uh, let, let me take a look. SMCI. What's SMCI? Palantir just is just anyways. $45 mark. Or like 44.50. I'll zoom out a little bit, Mark, and take a look. Yeah. Did you guys see this? So some dude, right? So how you do that, I don't know. Like how someone does this is crazy, but maybe we just don't know the details, right? So whoever this dude is Canadian. Why? Because Canadians are the best, you know. So he turned $88,000 into $400 million with Tesla, right? And then he lost it all. How he lost it, I don't know. So he bought Tesla options. Like how you put $88,000? Yeah, Kiwi. $88,000 in Tesla options. Like you have to have cojones. Yeah, like your cojones are as big as like. Anyways, like anyways, like like that picture of Dan's foot. Yeah, like both of them. You know how big those feet are. Yeah, yeah. So I don't quite know the details though. So that's what I'm trying to get. I want to see what's happened here. It's not letting me scroll down for some reason. Okay, there we go. Uh, I just want to find out the reason why he's suing them. Uh, I don't understand the issue here. So he claimed that RBC Dominion Securities set him up with a margin account and substantial loans that ultimately backfired, wiping out his entire investment portfolio. I don't understand. That still doesn't make any sense. Like, why is he suing? They didn't provide you with, anyways. Most of his wealth by trading shares and using Tesla options. Canadian-based RBC. So he hired RBC to do what? Help him preserve his wealth by recommending risk mitigating strategies. How you're up 400 million? Why didn't you just sell the position? Why are you hiring somebody as a coach? Why are you hiring somebody? You made the monies without them. Why are you hiring them? Uh, okay, I still don't understand. 450 million November 3rd, 30th, 2021, then declined rapidly in 2022, collapsed. So the entire market collapsed. So it wasn't just Tesla. So he was forced to sell Tesla shares and repay loans from his margin account. You're up $400 million. Why do you have a leverage, like why do you have leverage positions? Also, like who's your advisor and why are they keeping you in leverage positions? You are rich. You're rich, like $400 million. Why are you still on leverage? Why? Why? Uh so inadequate advice. Like it's not advice, it's common sense. Preserve substantial portion of wealth and implement a financial planning that would not have resulted in the loss of their entire net worth. Sounds like while the case involved traditional stocks, blah blah blah. Followers show. Okay, I'm just gonna skip to the bottom. I don't care about that. Uh, Damages plus legal costs and interest were named defendants in the lawsuit filed in Supreme Court of British Columbia. Not yet filed a response. Okay, that still doesn't make any sense. That still doesn't make any sense. I think what we're missing though is the other side of the story, right? From like the actual from the bank. So if you lost that money in 2022, like why you just it's 2025 almost. It's 2025. Like this to me, like I don't know, like I don't see anything here that so Vancouver man, so blah 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 account la, 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 allegations are contained in a notice of claim that Mr. Felt he worked as a carpenter until he started suffering from health problems in 2019. Investing in his early 20s, trading derivatives, largely in Tesla Inc., um, which had grown to 26 million by mid 2020 when he was 30 years old. He had $20 million at 30. Okay, and then from $20 million to 400 million. The suit states that substantial gains arose almost entirely from trades in shares and options in Tesla. Okay, cool. I don't really care. With his account value rapidly rising, RBC advisor Mr. Who helped him preserve his wealth. If you have health issues and you have $400 million, you don't need to hire anybody to preserve your wealth, right? You can give them monies to manage, like, but you need to get out of those positions though. Management and suit states, according to the suit, the advisors were to make proper inquiries and advise Mr. and the risk and consequences of his financial planning. The firm was also to advise and recommend strategies that would minimize risk. See, this still doesn't make any sense. Anyways, moving on, guys. Yeah, it's retesting the that level again. Yeah, it's trying to. Seriously, Dennis. Seriously. This is just that's just greed, At that point, there's nothing else to that than just greed. Like, anyways, same friend of lawyer probably convinced him to sue that the what will make up for. Yeah, exactly, Wes. Exactly. Like that was 2020. This is 2024, and now this is coming to light. Hmm. He needs a membership for sure. He needs to know what a stop loss is. What did he think? Tesla was gonna keep going up to 1 billion? Just like exactly. So I just think this all just seems like rubbish, and it's a nice shiny headline. We just don't know what the actual like other side of the story is. They probably told him like, "Hey," he's like, "Nah, bro, trust me, bro. I just went from 88 to 26 to 400. Trust me, bro." And then Tesla, the entire market went to the abyss. So yeah, uh, yeah. Okay, there we go. A golden candle. Yeah, it's not really curling though. It's sitting in the demand zone, but it's not really curling. So it kind of needs to curl, especially when the nine is that close. Yeah, when the nine is that close, you have an advantage of like waiting it to curl above. You know. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I don't know that. Yeah. So let the bank says, hold on. The bank was in AMC. The bank was like, come on, hold on for dear life. RBC is actually bullish on Tesla, though, I think. But anyways, yeah, looks like we came back to retest. So yeah, that 120 is a big problem, isn't it? WZ. So maybe that was the level we were waiting for then, a double bottom. Maybe. Let's see if we can start to curl and then eventually get back above 120. It's not a big, yeah. And then LASC, that was a good breakout, and then pump it to new highs. Oh my goodness, SPY just pumped, guys. Oh my days, what just happened here? Oh my goodness. Uh, sheesh, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. SPY just needs to cook. Like I don't know what it's waiting for. We just need to cook. Keep cooking. 115 WZ, love it. What the hell? Oh my goodness, love it. Yeah, maybe closer to that 7250 resistance. Jimmy, okay, sounds good. uh 96. AGRI looks good though. Yeah, a 64 to 81%. LASE looks really good as well, guys. So congratulations on that one. And then AGRI, was this also a split? Oh no, just a push, penny stock push, just a penny stock push. Nice bump. Okay, sounds good. Okay, there we go. 45%. Yeah, it does look good. You have a bit of a double top at 635 already, Martin. 635 double top, but yeah, it's done well. And then AGRI just keeps testing 9 pennies there. The S&P though, that's a really nice pop. Not sure what happened. Was there any news then? Maybe no, yeah, 45 news maybe, or was that just random? This feels like a breakout to me. Just gonna okay. I'll take a look. Keep going, spy. So 72. There we go. It's gonna be a green day. Okay, sounds good. So just the market's wanting to break out. Yup. Cook. Buy puts. Sometimes it's too. Yeah, sometimes you look at stuff and it's way too strong. You can try puts if you want to, but I think the risk is a little bit higher. But yeah, we've been failing in this range for a long time, right? So yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! That thing just exploded there. Oh wow, yeah. That thing just from 64 to 80 to 120 to 116%. Damn, cooking there, cooking. Weight Watchers has news. Okay, that little percentage thing is a really good addition, by the way, from in the bot. Right, I like it a lot. The man is putting in the work, putting in the work. There goes the S&P guys. Yeah, like it's just too strong, right? Sometimes when you want to buy puts, like there needs to be like history of resistance, or like especially if they're like shorter term ones. Because in this case, like that thing is really strong, and you don't know when it's gonna crash. It most likely will crash at some point, and you're gonna be like, yeah, there it is. But the problem is like where though? Uh, yeah. So maybe 72.50, right? 572.50 might be the level. Exactly, virus. Exactly. Exactly. And I think our base case is that the market pumps to all time highs, right? Unless we break below 65 and then it's violence. But we also do have that resistance 72, 73, 74, 75. So that's the problem. JD. Interesting. It looks like yeah. So 72.50 might be the level for a fail. $6 a while ago. No, yeah, Jimmy. That that's not relevant though. It's six. It's 10 cents, right? It's not like it's at a dollar. But I kind of understand what you're saying. I just want to make sure that your expectations are not outrageous, and then you end up diamond handing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go, Joe. So a lot of strength, but 72.50 seems to be a bit of a stall, though. Bit of a stall. Ooh, I did earlier. La, la, la. And I kind of liked it. To the shadow realm. Yeah, yeah. It looks like we're stalling there a little bit, but I kind of just feel like we're gonna keep like at this point, we're just gonna get a higher low, and then push back above, right? I think with that breakout we saw there, I think we just got to answer to the direction we might see. uh, let's go. Come on, Jericho. Jericho just doubled his daily goal, guys. Yeah, there you go. Made you money back that you lost last month. Beautiful, Koto. Good job. Buy calls. Yeah, be careful. Be careful, please. So let's see if this is the. I wonder if we eventually go back and retest this last breakout zone here. I wonder. What's BPTH doing here? That double bottom really is holding, isn't it? Is anybody still in BPTH, guys? Anybody? Anybody still holding this one? So it needs to get back above $1.20 is what, like that's where that resistance is at now. You're waiting to. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Blister. Yeah, it's just playing games there now, isn't it? You're still holding, Megan? Yeah. Yeah, as long as it stays above, though. As long as it stays above the bottom of the range there. There goes a nice little bounce there. For Spy, Spy, Spy. A bit of a bounce. 122. Okay. And what's your stop loss at now? Where do you have your stop loss at? Make sure you have one. Make sure you have one. A W? Oh. Yeah, Shamir, Tesla is just going to frustrate you, isn't it? Where do you need it to go? Where do you need Tesla to go? Up or down? JBDI. That's one that I haven't really looked at. JBDI. Not bad. Volume isn't amazing, but it's done okay. Slow and steady. And BPTH 18. Yeah. Back to the 50. Where's the 50? Yeah, the 50 is kind of close to that retest zone anyways, right? Which would not be uncommon. But my goodness, selling off this entire move though would kind of be sus. Raven would be happy. Yeah, if we sold off that entire move to retest the breakout and the 50, that would be a little bit sus. It would be sus. Because then we're just back into the same range. So you almost don't want it to go back there. You know? Because if it does, then maybe we see the opposite move. Anywhere? Okay. Oh, you're holding one of those. MBOY is pushing for highs today. Yeah. This thing's done well since we talked about it earlier today. That $12 was perfect, wasn't it? So let's see if it continues to perform there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the S&P. Yeah. Yes, that would be good for Raven, but for nobody else. There we go. There we go, Spy. Yeah. Raven would be happy, but from a technical point of view, like if we go back down there, that's not good at all. So it's doing a good job of holding this little range at the kernel, that little line. So it's trying. It is trying. Oof. break it and go down? It's trying to. Like it's really trying to decide what it wants to do. You smell weakness? Yeah, it's kind of showing some weakness, isn't it? Weakness below the 9. Raven is like, come on. Hurricane Milton about 500 and wait. 500 and wait. Uh, it says Hurricane Milton about 520 miles, 835 kilometers southwest of Tampa, Florida. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, be safe, everybody. Be safe. Yeah, I need to. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there we go. We're bouncing back up to the 72. Yeah, it's really trying not to go to that bottom range. Just momentum. Are you Eric? Yeah, back to 72. Okay, perfect. Yeah, yeah. Rob says they yeah, Rob is staying for now, so hopefully yeah. Verb. That looks like a penny stock theme there, Wes, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like the money may be rotating from one stock to the other stock. Yeah, yeah. Verb is kind of cooking there, isn't it? New highs of today. Yeah. Shows we can. I saw that random stuff. I saw that. That's so crazy. Oh my goodness! Look at Verb, guys. Damn. Some of these penny stocks are just crazy. Microsoft. Yeah, Verb just said, "Hey guys." That initial alert for Verb though was what? That initial alert for Verb. Yeah, it looks like people just rotated to the next penny stock. Yeah, there you go, 61%, 66, 67, 70%. Damn, 74. Oh my goodness, that thing is cooking. Sheesh. Yeah, it looks like people are just rotating to these penny stocks. Yeah, people are just looking for penny stocks now. 136 random. You should be nice and green though, right? Look at look at that. Look at MBLY guys. Oh wow. Yeah. What's the S&P doing? Still playing with that range. Still trying to decide what it wants to do. Yeah, maybe XPON is going to be the next one that pushes. XPON. Uh, XPON. Hmm. This one is so cheap. My goodness, 3 cents. Jesus. Yeah, Verb is like, hey, just watch me, ooh, watch me. That thing is going. What are the commissions? Not every broker has like a crazy commission though, for these penny stocks. Damn, that was a pretty fire alert though. That was a pretty fire alert from Ooh, that's a cool name. Six God. That's a cool way you've done your name in Discord, by the way. There goes XPON guys, 5%. That thing just went from 1% to 5%. Not that it takes a whole lot of effort for a penny stock, but not that it takes a lot of effort. The S&P is still at 72, and looks like Verb wants to test 8 pennies here. Lots of resistance. Yeah, move really quickly. Oh yeah, there goes XPON now, isn't it? There goes 8%. People are just rotating from one penny stock to the other. From one penny stock to the other. There goes 9%, guys. Oh my days. There goes 11%. Ooh, 14%. Yup. My turn, Dennis. Yup. Yup. 14%. Hmm. Yeah, again, just be mindful though that like this is just a theme, right? They're just rotating monies left and right. So at some point they all get slapped for no reason. So there goes 15%. We just saw this thing at 1%, guys. 1%. Now it's at 16, 17, 19%. Damn. There goes 20%. 21. 50% in 3 minutes. Let's go, West. Congratulations. Let's go 22% on this one. 22%. So yeah, just be careful when you play with them, please. Right? In and out, in and out, in and out. Don't sit there and say, but X1 was at $5. You're gonna get destroyed. Look at Verb, guys. Look at Verb, right? Verb just got slapped from 8 cents to 6 cents, right? So you have to like in and out. Otherwise, you're gonna be be cleaning the floor. Um, anyways, right, Sonny? Right. Yep, there goes Verb. Slap, slap, slap. Right? In and out. Take those monies and run. Yeah, the one that clearly has the momentum now, though, is XPON. Like the money just rotated to the next penny stock. Look at that, guys. From 1% to 32%, guys. 33%. 34 incoming. Woof. 35, 36%. That thing said, yup, my turn. Jam. Jam. Are we still talking about stocks? Be careful when you hold them. We're talking about stocks, Dan. Please. There goes 39%, guys. There goes 40%. My goodness. Good morning, Troy. I take my money back. Just make sure you sell that thing soon though. Right? Don't just sit there and wait. Yeah. So that thing just made 40% just like that for no reason other than it's a penny stock theme. So make sure you move those stop losses up, please. Make sure you move these stop losses. What's the next theme though? What's the next one? I think like Xpon was the next logical one. I don't know if there's Troy, good morning. I don't know if there's another one that I'm looking here. Okay. Because look at, oh my god, look at that, guys. Did you guys see that? Sell, right? In and out, penny stock, no catalyst, straight vibes. That thing just went from 40% just straight to the abyss. uh yeah, there you go. Yup. Yeah, I mean, there was lots of time to get in on this one though, right? Like the bot was spamming this in Discord, and so from 0 to 40%, there was a lot of time to get in and out to the supply zone, honestly, right? Like the red zone is staring at you in the face. So you have the tools to make your trading easier, right? Look at Verb. Where did Verb go to, guys? To a supply zone, maybe? Just maybe, right? Maybe. Straight to the red zone, straight to the abyss, right? Xpon has done the exact same thing. Red zone, straight to the abyss. So yeah, from the green zone to the red zone, right? That makes it a little bit easier for you. So, yep. There you go. I mean, it's off what 5% again. Maybe some people are buying when it comes back to the demand zone. Yeah, not bad. The S&P is still trying to decide, isn't it? Spy's like, what do I want to do here, Raven? Do I want to crash or do I want to pump it? What do I want to do? Let's go. 93.8. Oh, I see. Yeah. There you go, Spy. Raven, are you smiling a little bit now? Smiling? If it breaks above $6.40, Martin, the answer is yes. Answer is yes. If I mean, XPON is back up, guys. It's up 11% now. So that demand zone was quite nice if you were brave enough to get in. You're still smiling. You're smiling, Nitro. Let's go. Good. You bought puts, Nitro. Oh my days. This is your fault. This is your fault. BPTH for some reason just cannot get above $1.20, above the 200 EMA, right? This is the problem with like when stocks go below the 200, there's such a problem, right? There's a big problem there. So it's done a good job holding $1.11. So let's see if it continues to stay above that level. You did, Troy? Monies. Wake up and print is Troy's motto. You were brave enough, Wes. Well done. Congratulations. Yeah. Demand zone, sure. Right? That's where it came from, anyways. How much lower does it want to go? So yeah. 3 pennies. 3 pennies. And then again, Ryan, congratulations on selling this one because look at where it's at now. OTRK. Look at where it's at now. Testing the 200. Well, at $4. Right? You sold that thing above $5, 5.50, five something. Well, it's at $3.90 now. So yep. Take the monies. When you see supply, you take the monies. Otherwise, you end up being naked. So there goes LASC, Martin. So breaking close above that level, and then yeah, $7. I think said and what and thrust LASC. About Ryan? Why virus? What happened? Why are you feeling sus about Ryan? The man left for a while. Oh my goodness, virus. Yeah, yeah. Have you guys noticed this, guys? I said this before. Yeah. Huh. That is true. Virus disappeared, came back. He was a goat. Joe disappeared. He came back. He started cooking. Ryan disappeared and came back, and now he's hitting 2 times daily goals. Huh? I think there's a coincidence here, guys. Visiting Diddy in the woods and making monies. All you have to do is say, "Hey Diddy, I'm in this stock. Can you help me? I know you're in jail, but still, you know, all that time we spent alone in the woods. Good times, right?" Diddy's like, "Yeah, okay, I call my people." Oh my goodness, Ryan, what were you doing in the woods? We need a confession. Did you take oil with you in the woods? Unbelievable. Anyway, so yeah, LAS is looking really good. Looking good. So, moral of the story: if you disappear and come back, we will know where you went to visit Diddy. Anyways, there goes new highs of the day: 670, Martin. $6.70, 680 incoming. There goes 690, Martin. So that 640 broke, and then $7. Here it is, right? So are you taking profits up there, or you're just gonna keep it? Cooking, 690, 690. Did he do it? Yes, he did. Uh, David, no, no, no. Is that the girl that won the Olympics, right? David Long. That's the girl from Saint Lucia. Yeah, that was cool. Very cool. So BPTH is still doing a good job, I guess, holding above that 110, guys. So if you're taking positions and it's holding, hopefully it stays above it, but it really needs to get back above the 200 EMA. But it looks like it's trying its absolute best, though, isn't it, to hold that demand zone, right? XPON, make sure you scalp this thing in and out. Canadian. Canadian with quotations, you know? Um, anyways, so oh, I lost my train of thought. So yeah, if you're playing with the verbs and the XPONs and any other penny stock, just make sure you're scalping it in and out, please. Alrighty. The S&P, I guess, I guess we actually had to come back and retest, Joe. We actually had to come back and retest for the S&P. So, I mean, this works for anything else. So why not the S&P, right? So again, resistance, breakout, retest, right? I think we were just being stubborn and not wanting it to come down to that level. But that's how technical analysis works, right? You break out, you come back and retest, and it's trying to bounce. So let's see if the S&P can get back to 72. So it gave all the monies back. Unbelievable. And then LESE has been cooking all day today, right? Cook. Look at that stock. Cooking from $4 to almost $7, right? Pump, dip, pump. Pump, dip, pump. So looking good if you're in it. You put prints at Nitro. Did you secure the monies though? Did you secure the monies? There's a whole bunch of alerts there for these sub penny stocks. LUXH and then ELAB. Okay, sounds good. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Scout. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know if you can actually. I've never tried it. I've never tried Shankar. It's a short penny stocks. We're back to 117 again for BPTH. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, he's been busy. Florida, scary, scary, scary. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah, yeah. $1.17. Well, Martin, you were 10 cents away from $7, right? So I don't know. You're probably still waiting for more. Now you're gonna say when $10, right? When is BPH just gonna say, you know what, BPTH? Uh, let me take a look at the other one. There's another penny stock, right? So let me take a look at LUXH. What is this one doing? 7 pennies, 8 pennies. Hmm, interesting. I'll leave it up for a second and see if that one catches some vibes as well. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, on Wednesday. Yeah, something. Yeah. Huh, interesting though. I want to see it. I bet you it's just gonna be stories though, because does Netflix really have all the juice, or like Hulu? Do they have all the juice before, like, when he's still like in the process of getting, like, still in the process of they all really have all that juice like that? Maybe watch it and let me know, and then maybe then you want to see videos? If you want to see videos like that, you can go on uh what was of the exactly virus. Yeah, they're just taking advantage of the hype. I don't think they really have any juice or any videos. It's gonna be like he said, she said, probably true, but still though. But if you want to see those videos, I told you the man is sus. Yeah, Ryan, unbelievable. Ryan just wants to make sure that This video doesn't pop up. What's that site again? What is it called? Grinder or something? Yeah. Like anyways. OnlyFans. But for dudes. There goes $1.18. Megan, are you still in that position? 122? Yeah, you really need that thing to get above the 200. And then there goes the S&P, guys. So SPY with the perfect bounce, right? So just a retest. Just a retest. Yeah, interesting times we live in, though. I saw like a headline somewhere, something about did OnlyFans outperform like something else. Anyways, like people on OnlyFans, how much money they made, you know? We told Virus a year ago to get an OnlyFans, but you know, like oh no, blah 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 blah. You know, now we could have been, you know, chilling in Dubai, but yeah. Anyways, you closed your OnlyFans. Anyways, yeah, we're finally getting back above the 200 here for. Maybe we should have taken a position closer to the bottom here for BPTH. Maybe. There goes the S&P, almost back to 72. DJT is popping to the highs again. Yeah. Creepy stuff here. Christine, why? Why, Christine? Why? This is what happens when the market is a little bit slow, you know? We're just joking, by the way. So we like to, you know, have fun. Uh, it's comedy hour. Yeah, exactly. Don't you worry. Anyways, yeah. So let's see if we can get back above 572 for the S&P. Nope. Look at that thing drop all the way back into that circle again, right? So let's see how we end the day on this one. In terms of like retest for BPT for LASC though, watch for that 640 Martin if you're still in there. So and anybody else, and then yeah, obviously $7 for your next resistance, right? Again, Ryan, good job on selling this one though. My goodness, that thing really sold off from the top. Sometimes when you see good money, take it. Don't just sit there and say, "Oh, but." Yeah, because that thing really lost it all. Really lost it all. Do. Let's see. Crypto.com has received. Yeah, not that important. Not that important. Yeah, the markets have clearly slowed down a little bit here. I'm just gonna keep it on the S&P. Raven, did you sell your puts yet, or you're still holding them? Biden says Milton could be one of the worst storms in 100 years to hit Florida. Says he approved a pre-landfall emergency declaration in Florida. Urges everyone in region who's under evacuation to evacuate now. It's a matter of life and death. Yeah, scary. Yeah, scary. Scary. The worst in 100 years. My goodness, guys. Yeah, hopefully Rob is okay and everybody else, obviously, but hopefully. There's this IPO, Sky, not Sky, SKK. Is it halted? Yeah, it's halted. Yeah, no, for sure, virus. For sure, for sure. That's where all that money is. That's all that money. That's where that money should be going to. That's where that money should be going. Send the monies to Florida. Please and thank you. Uh, I mean Jackson. James, before a storm. Yeah, really. Damn. Yeah, be safe, guys. Be safe. Like if you have somebody that you can, if you have family in other places that you can drive to, like yeah, and the storm is like gonna hit you, maybe don't take the risk. Maybe just go somewhere else. Uh, Troy. Okay. Yeah. Crazy virus. And Florida is one to get out if the roads are packed. Joe. Yeah. It's coming tomorrow, right? They said tomorrow. Yeah. Hopefully, people can leave as yeah. Uh, Running out of money, said they won't have enough for the rest of the year. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. They should have enough monies to. They should be given enough monies to to protect their people. Really, virus. People have been on the highway for 12 hours plus. Like just people trying to get out. Damn. It's all the money going. You guys are not giving Canada any monies. No monies to Canada. You guys are sending your monies to other places that I shall not name. Yeah, then yeah, crazy, crazy. They got money for a war but can't feed the poor. Yeah, same virus. Same. There's always monies for other things. Uh, it's always T+1 check, or depending on where you live. If you live in Canada, uh, just expect it to be T+1. If you're using a cash account, if you're using a margin account on Canadian, then you don't have to worry about that. You're in India, then I have no idea. It's based on your country, so probably T+1, but it's based on your country. You either have to message customer service or just like scour through the website. Rob says now we are just in the Lord's hands. Yeah, seriously. Yep, yep. Crazy. The S&P is back up again, so it looks like the S&P has done a good job holding the Nitro. You sold your position though, right? So that position. Can we listen to this? Come on, Spy, cook to the highs again. na 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 na. 15 out of 19 yesterday and 11. Let's go, ye. Congratulations. Keep cooking, please. Keep cooking. Keep cooking. Yeah, keep cooking. Keep making monies. Here we go, Spy. Cook. Is that thing still halted? Yeah. SKK is still halted. LESC, stalling a little bit at 570, isn't it? Creating a bit of a downtrend. And then stupid BPTH guys keeps coming back down and then bouncing. So same range. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. We have like 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes left. Smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Ready? Ready. Yeah, Spike is failing at the that last pivot high there. The last swing high. So we're in a bit of a range here on the 1 minute. Let's go. Dollars for every country, but ours, yeah. Yeah, I think, when that money is spent though, Bradley, I think, they view it as return on investment, return on investment. What's the homeless dude gonna do, once they get him off the streets? Right? But so I think that's how they're looking at all of that stuff, which is very, very sad. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. Just numbers, and we can there's not a damn thing we can do. you know Other than bring awareness, and hopefully something happens. Yeah, no. Our homelessness is 12% higher than last year, and like that makes a lot of sense though, Bradley, with inflation and the cost of everything. Yeah. Yep. And you would think though, like the number, like as time goes on, the number only goes higher. Yeah. They need to look at different numbers. How can many be helped? Exactly, Troy. Exactly. Educated people get back into productive citizens. Absolutely, Ryan. Absolutely. Yep. Absolutely. Like you need to go, like not just help people. Like I think when they look at stuff like this, it's always like, okay, what about housing? What about no? Like you need to go like all the way back to the bottom of the barrel. Like what's causing these issues? Like they need to go to the streets. Like is it drugs, or is it like someone just had a medical bill? And then all of a sudden, like they lost their job, right? What were they doing before? Like you need to go like to the like go back to the foundation. Same thing with like mental health. Like people are like, oh, we need to like facilities for mental health. Like okay, well, like mental health is becoming a pretty big problem, right? So you can't just keep fixing. Like you can't just send someone to rehab and say, oh, fixed. You can't just keep like building mental health facilities and giving people that run these facilities millions of dollars, because then like no, what was the issue in the first place, and how come all the kids these days are struggling from them? you know Anyways, but this is why I don't like to go through these rants, because they kind of annoy me. Yep. Right. Like you need to go fix the issue. Otherwise, you just you spend monies, and then you're like, oh, we spent enough monies already. You spend the monies on the wrong thing. Spend the monies on the wrong thing. Yeah, too much resistance, too much supply, and then to the abyss. Nitro. Yeah, from the supply zone to the demand zone. So the red zones are working really nicely. To expect someone to rise up. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yup. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what will like need to happen though for for like society or the government to say, you know what, we need to fix this. Anyways, the other one's on halt at $7 for SKK here. That's quite the push. Mm, quite the push. Still trying to push. Mm, yep. Yeah, yeah. Yep. Asia IPO. Do you know what the actual IPO price was though, Yi? Do you know? Because I never looked. Never looked. uh, crazy. Uh oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? This is what I think it is, guys. It's halted.
Blaze, this is the one I'm on. I need to have a conversation with you. A serious conversation. Because I know what you do. You're a stock trader. I know you're a stock trader and you give advice to people about your stock and all kinds on Discord. And you cause Peter to lose lots of money. What's your problem? You want to be giving out a poor advice. You want to go on the path of darkness. You want to just sit there doing nothing, eating cookies. For what? Stop your nonsense and apologize to Peter. Because if you don't, will be good talk.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's unbelievable. No. So let me show you who this is. Let me see if I can pull up the Instagram. I don't know if it'll let me can I open up Instagram on here? It hopefully doesn't ask me to. Of course, it's gonna ask me to sign in though, which I don't want to do because I don't remember anything. Uh, yeah. Let me maybe he has a YouTube account actually. Let's try this. Uh, See, I wanna know, is that a yeah? He's like he just does like comedy skits and stuff. This dude. Okay, never mind. This one has sound on it though. That one has sound in it. Anyways, yeah, it's funny though. It's like it's yeah, similar Dan. Anyways, what else is moving? Anything? Yeah, I think Spy is just gonna cook to all-time highs now, unless we just keep failing, I guess. But it's gonna cook. So actually,
So you're going down the pot.
yeah, too many games, Dennis, for my liking. Too many games. Uh, I want to show you some of those. SKK. Yeah. Is it halted again? Oh wow, it's at $8 now. Damn. Did anybody FOMO into this one? Oof, that thing is cooking. Damn. Zero penny stock. Yeah. One second. Oh, you know who it is? Yeah, Mr. Yeah. I think that's the dad, right? Something like that. Yeah, this is the dude. Uh, yeah, he has some funny ones. I want to pull up some of the funny ones, but yeah, so yeah, he has some they're mostly like African skits though. But like they're pretty funny. Uh, pretty funny. Yeah, I want to watch something that's funny. Something that's funny though. Some of these are not titled. Some of these are not titled, so it kind of sucks. So I guess we just have to watch a random one. Quick on the response, Mike. When you become a member, quick response. Yeah, Mike, become a member. What are you waiting for? This thing is not stopping, is it? SKK. I am. This thing is gonna mess around and go to the $20, isn't it? Oh wow, there goes $9, guys. Shish. Let's go. Fill that $7 stop loss for sure. Yes, please. Yeah, you need to. Yeah. I wonder if it's gonna actually show us a skit though. No, it's gonna ask me to sign in again. Damn it. Okay, well that's not helping. S&P looks amazing. Again, did anybody get into a SKK? Anybody in the chat? I know Chris got into this in Discord. But, uh, yes, Jay? Okay, nice. It actually looks fairly impressive. Like, it looks impressive. The way that it's shooting up and not coming back down. Yeah, the spread is a bit scary though. Like it's 20 to 50 cents. And there it goes. It's about to skip again. Dang. $9.30. That's impressive. What is that? Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. Well done, Jay. You sold for $300, Red, Chris? Let's go. Well done. Well done, well done. And it's halted up again. There we go. Natalia, see you after the market. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off in like 5 minutes. I guess we're gonna have to continue watching this in Discord because I do have to get ready for some one-on-ones. Yeah, so yeah, this is one of the. I don't know if I can. I'll just play the sound, okay? Actually, no, that doesn't work. So this video is captioned like so. This video is captioned yeah, like all of these videos are based on like African parents. That's the whole idea behind like his like Instagram and YouTube stuff. So then some people are like you yeah. But anyways, just listen to it.
Why did you send me that money?
I got a signing on bonus for my new job.
Is that Mr. Rich Boy? Long time no spend. How the body?
What?
You think I don't know what you're up to? Trying to remove my dignity from this family. Who do you think you are, Mr. Monopoly? Look at here. Flashing your money around like you're El Chapo. You're nothing but a squire. Know your place in this sector. Furthermore, you're making all of this money and you're still single. You ugly alligator. Signing on bonus. You think you and your bombastic bonus out of this house.
So that's a phone call, right? So that's a little skit he did, and that's a phone call between so obviously he said like he got a signing bonus, and then he sent his dad some money, right? And then his dad is like, oh, so now you're sending me money, huh? You're trying to ruin my dignity, huh? Anyways, it's funny. Flashing your money like El Chapo. You squirrel. You're making money and you're still single. uh, Take you and your monies out of this house. Oh, that's funny. The S&P is still looking okay, so everything still looks like pointing to the upside. But yeah, is there another one that like? And then this one is like this is like your parents when they catch you taking naps, you know?
Congratulations! Everyone clap for Ife. Clap for him. So you have completed the game of life. What? What have you accomplished? You to be sleeping like an elephant. Every 15 hours you are sleeping. Why? Are you a billionaire? When I was your age, I used to go 6 weeks without sleep. But you, that's all you know. If laziness was a job, you'd win Employee of the Decade. You sluggish slob. You want to be sleeping beauty? Well, let me tell you something. If you don't productivize yourself immediately,
Anyways, yep. Yeah, that's like any parent though, you know, like when you're taking a nap. Like you're sleeping every 15 hours. When I was your age, I didn't sleep for 6 weeks. Sleep 6 weeks. Sleep is for the rich. There goes Spy. Spy looking good. When new all-time highs, guys. My goodness, BPTH. My goodness, is that thing just gonna sit there? Look at this one, guys. Unhalted now. $10. That thing actually pushed to $10. Oh my goodness, that's impressive. Damn. And it's not stopping. 1070, 1080. This is what happens when you're an IPO from China, you know? And then here comes 11. Wow. My goodness. OTRK is still selling off. Yeah, that thing was weak a long time ago. Weak. Weak. 11. Yeah, exactly, Virus. Exactly. Whew, what a beauty. My goodness, look at that. There's like some red candles at the beginning and then that's it. No red candles since $5. Just straight boom skis. Straight boom skis on this one. Exactly, JR. Exactly. Exactly. I bet you this thing goes to $30. And then the following week or the same day, well, it's always the same day. The same day it hits highs, it's minus 80%. Minus 80%. Unbelievable. Tesla? Yeah. Tesla. It looks like it's halted down now, right? There you go. That looks nice, Virus. That looks very nice, actually. That looks very, very nice. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for today, though. We will continue in Discord. Alrighty. So have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe. Much love, everybody. Ready? 147. Let's go, Nitro. Let's go. Don't forget to smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots. If you need to upgrade, just do it. Click the same link. Alrighty. See you. You have a doctor's appointment today? Yeah, I need to make a doctor's appointment. Actually, I need to walk in because I had some chest pains sitting on stream, so I need to go make sure everything's okay. But anyways, probably nothing. They're gonna tell me nothing, but that's happened too many times. Too much yapping, you know. Anyways, much love, everybody. Be safe. Bye, guys. Ready? See you. No, I won't be going to the woods. No woods for me. My hide vitamins. Yes. Alrighty. Much love, guys. Bye.
Hot trade, building you to the scene. Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, play set, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the gain stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the gain stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare.